weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. This briefing will cover the period today, Monday, May 11th to Sunday, May 17th. So first I wanted to show you guys again the drought update that we showed you on Thursday. Just a reminder that the rain from 2 weeks ago slowed but didn't totally stop the degradations. And part of the northern foothills in central Piedmont did slip into extreme drought. Hopefully with the rain we've gotten in the past week or so, this will get even better, but we will be sure to update you guys on Thursday on that. However, the burn ban has been lifted for all North Carolina counties. So just a reminder that 81 counties, the burn ban was lifted on May 3rd, and the remaining 19 counties were actually lifted Friday morning. And while drought alone isn't a hazardous forest fire condition, it can contribute to fires burning longer, more intensely, and being more difficult to control. So make sure if you're burning, you pay attention to the weather conditions and check fire danger before burning. Now for the upcoming weather pattern. So today, a frontal system will bring a chance for rain across the area. And there is a chance for a few rumbles of thunder in the south. There will also be another chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms Wednesday late afternoon and evening. And after that, hot and dry weather will return this weekend into next week. So here is a look at the precipitation forecast from the WPC over the next 5 days. Today, again, there's about a 100th to a 10th inch of rain expected in our northern and southern portions of the area, with Tuesday being dry. Wednesday, you can see that there is a pretty decent signal for rain again. Up to a ½ inch is the most likely, but we could see some areas receive up to an inch if there are some stronger storms that are able to form. With that, here is the severe thunderstorm potential for the next 8 days. An isolated stronger storm is possible this afternoon in the southern coastal plain, and additional thunderstorms will be possible again on Wednesday evening. However, there is no threat for excessive rainfall or flash flooding in the next 3 days. Now to show the experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook, you can see that marginal risk for severe thunderstorms with winds today. And then lightning is also, there's a limited risk today and again on Wednesday. Additionally, there is a elevated risk for fog tonight, and this is in the north and northwestern portions of the area along the Virginia border. And then as we dry out on Wednesday and Thursday, there will be a limited risk of some fire weather concerns. Next, to look at the 8 to 14 day temperature and precipitation outlook, there is a 60 to 70% chance of above normal temperatures, and near to slightly above normal precipitation is favored. And then we have the normal temperatures for Greensboro, Raleigh, and Fayetteville there in the south. So normal is upper 70s to low to mid 80s for highs, and lows, the normal is the upper 50s to low 60s. So there's a 60 to 70% chance of temperatures being above that. And with that, I wanted to let everyone know that next week is Heat Safety Week. So from May 18th to May 22nd, there is a different theme on each day, and we want to encourage you guys to join us in helping share the dangers that heat can bring and provide safety tips to the public. So just to summarize, today we have a frontal system bringing the chance for rain across the area, with a chance of a few rumbles of thunder south and maybe a few stronger gusty winds. And then there's another chance for showers and isolated thunderstorms Wednesday, late afternoon and evening. And then hot and dry weather will return this weekend into next week. You can see on the right there, we'll return to the mid to upper 80s on Saturday, and then maybe the 90s by Sunday and definitely by Monday. And then for hazards and impacts, we have areas of dense fog possible in the northern Piedmont tonight and into Tuesday morning.